Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on on the I Love Revolution times Elf. With that being said, let's get started. So this is the packaging, and of course you can see I Love Revolution Elf. Look at Buddy there. I'm a cotton-headed Ninny Muggins. There are 25 eyeshadows in this palette. It's 12 months from when you open the product. It's PETA approved, vegan, global animal testing policy, WB, Elf, and all related characters and elements. So Warner Brothers. So it belongs to them, but look how cute this is. So this does have the little tabs. It's very slick. And then of course it does have the price pigmented. Now let's open it up. It has a mirror and a protective film. This is cute. Okay, let me show you guys. So there is a mirror here. You guys see that? Buddy's right there. Does someone need a hug? Oh, that's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it right here at the bottom. It states the whole, does someone need a hug? And then Buddy's right here. And then the mirror's in this side. The protective film is so cute. It has like, oh, I thought it was, so that's what I saw. And I'm like, oh, the protective film has little designs on it. How cute. It's not the protective film, guys. I like that it has a protective film. So the actual palette is the one that has the little designs that I like. Look at those colors. When I was swatching, I did notice that a lot of these have a lot of fallout, especially the pressed pigmented ones, which are the ones with a little star. Of course, fallout is normal with any eyeshadow palette. Some of these colors are not really showing up on my skin tone. Others are. Others I really had to dig in there and it was a little bit difficult. And then there's one that was very, very creamy, which was this one. It's this one right here. Super, super creamy. As you guys can see. Some of these brown kind of muted ones aren't really showing up on my skin tone and others are. So it's a little bit of a for me because I'm really trying all of the browns, and so far some of these show up a little bit and some of them don't. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I was gonna put fake eyelashes, but my eye, there's something in my eye and it keeps on watering, so I don't wanna mess with the eyelashes and put it on. The colors are very pretty. I really do like this kind of like yellow, kind of mauve-y slash very New Year's Eve look. It's very cute. I want to try these as blush and highlighter, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one as highlighter. Whoa. This is pretty. Let's try this one as a blush. That's pretty. I also like that this eyeshadow palette includes 25 eyeshadows. The colors are very pretty. I like that it has a lot of shimmers in here. I would have liked for this to have names instead of the little designs, but that's just me. Final rating. Out of 5, I give this eyeshadow palette a 4. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.